Hello mga kasers! Welcome to 7 Bakes to Christmas, a Christmas week countdown by Family's Choice. This is Chef Schilla, and today we're making Christmas cream cheesecake brownie. If you want the best dessert for your business or to serve your family this Pasko, then check this recipe video. Tara! After preheating your oven, chop your dark chocolate bar into shards and then add your butter. Microwave this in your microwave oven. After that, add the Family's Choice sweetened cocoa powder, 3 eggs, and then mix. Then flour and incorporate them. Then reserve about 2 tablespoons of butter brownie for the toppings later. Then pour the rest of it to the pan and set it aside. Now let's prepare the cream cheese mixture. 1 bar of cream cheese. Mix them to make it pasty. Add white sugar, a little vanilla, and beat. Add an egg and beat again until it is well combined. Then pour it on top of the chocolate butter. Now it's time to put the reserved butter on top and swirl. Ta-da! And it's ready now for baking. And it's done! You can make 24 pieces for this recipe and sold this by 200 pesos for 6 pieces in a box. Let's have a taste. Good news! Family's Choice Sweetened Cocoa is available in leading supermarkets across Visayas and Mindanao and baking specialty stores in Cebu. Please see comment section below for the complete list of store names. Your family is really gonna love this. Hope you like this recipe and you will use this for your future business this coming Christmas season. See you next time!